Oh, there it is. Okay. So, whoa. This is our first adventure to the beach.
Mira, look it. Okay, beach.
And nobody is around for miles. And whoa, it's our own private beach. We're exploring on the top of the rocks. We just went over there. Whoa! To the top of that rock. And then we came over here. And I found wildlife in this little tide pool. It's a crab. And it's right there. And I'm gonna touch it with something. What am I?
Touch it with your finger.
Oh my god, it's eating the little, oh my god. It's eating the little thing. It's gonna bite me.
Hey, use this reed thing.
Where?
This.
Okay. I'm gonna attempt to make contact with it. And I'm gonna capture it. Uh-oh. It's on the move. Oh no. Should I? It's eating stuff. Oh no! Alright, it's escaping. Look at it. Can you see it, honey?
Kinda, not really.
Zoom in.
Yeah,
Look at his face. I'm gonna touch it. Ah!
Where'd it go?
It's in there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're gonna continue our search to find the sea anemone.
Alright, bye.
What is a sea anemone?
I don't know, we'll see.
Okay. Hi. We're back on our excavation. We were exploring this cove and the rock. We scaled the side of the mountain.
Over there, up
Yeah.
here.
And it's really sharp rocks. I think it's molten lava.
Molten lava, yeah.
One thing that happened while I was over there, I got ransacked by a flying insect and it bit me right here. See if you
Let's
can-
get up close.
Ow, it hurts. Ooh. Can
There's
you
a
see
little
it?
dot. It's right there. Poor little thing.
I wasn't even doing anything and it bit me.
I'm so sorry
and
that
I
you
went
got
like
bit,
this.
honey.
Ow!
I thought that you like.
And you thought I was joking.
I thought you were joking. I thought you hurt your toe or something, but.
Okay, so
Little.
the other thing that we discovered here on this rock was, oh my gosh, honey, stepped on it!
Did I?
Yes. Okay, well, we'll show it anyways. We found a fossil
I'm sorry.
and you ruined it.
You told me to look at your thing.
It's no longer,
Technically, you ruined it because you instructed me to
no
do it.
longer
Remember?
worth anything,
Okay.
but we'll take a look at it anyways. It appears to be a fossil. Oh, here's another one.
Like the outer layer.
An ancient crab, a sea crab. Not the kind that we have today, but as you can see by its lines, well, it's ruined now, but.
How about that one?
Okay, this one's good. Whoa.
You're in.
Tell by its lines that it was originally
Pick it up.
made for sand and water and crawling. Uh-oh.
It's its scale.
Uh-oh. I think that's what bit me.
Those bastards.
Oh my god.
Oh, an ant.
Oh, I hate
Just get out of
you.
here.
Hold
get out of
on,
here.
hold on. I have to get revenge.
I don't want it to bite you again.
I have to get my revenge. Ha ha ha. There you go.
Okay.
Alright. My job here is done. We're gonna go back over the mountain.
Back to our little
then-
humble abode.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll be back with more on our excavation.
All right. Over yonder.